Sales block module in Hybrid MLM. The sales block module in Hybrid MLM is designed to manage and track sales activities within the network marketing structure. This module serves as a robust tool for MLM businesses, allowing them to efficiently monitor and control sales process, ensuring transparency and accuracy. Let's check how this sales block module can be activated. For this, go to the settings and select the module option. After selecting the module option, go to the layout module pool. Here you can see the sales block. This module here is already activated. If you need to deactivate, click the deactivate button or can be uninstalled by clicking the uninstall button. The overall sales information with the graphical representation is displayed in the admin dashboard. So let's go to the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard and select the sales info. Here you can see the sales info. Click the sales info. Here you can see the sales report of 6 months in a graphical representation with order amount by package purchase in month. Here you can see the order amount and the package purchased in each month can be seen here. And this sales info is represented as a bar graph representation. So here you can see the total sales income. It provides a comprehensive overview of the revenue generated within the network. Below that, here you can see the different packages with their income of each packages are given. This is all about the sales block module in Hybrid MLM.